Working with architectural or design plans and got a 2DR drawing from Vectorworks. This is a 2D drawing from the popular CAD application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these Vectorworks 2D drawing files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for 2DR problems. See below for my top choice. A 2.dr file is a two-dimensional drawing created by Vectorworks, a comprehensive CAD and BIM software application. Architects, landscape designers, and entertainment professionals use this format to save and share 2D design plans, schematics, and technical drawings separate from a full 3D model. The 2DR format is a proprietary vector-based file structure that stores 2D geometric objects such as lines, arcs, polygons, and text. It is optimized for precision and scalability, allowing for detailed drafting and annotation, while maintaining a clear separation from 3D modeling data within a main project. The standard opener for 2.dr is known to be Vectorworks developed by Vectorworks Inc. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can display limited information, so full review normally requires dedicated 3D or CAD software. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your 2.dr file and click Open With. Test Vectorworks first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. If you cannot access the 2DR file, no problem. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential, quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in Vectorworks. Install Vectorworks from Vectorworks Inc. on your system. Launch the application and use File, then Open to load your 2DR file. The drawing displays in Vectorworks workspace with all geometry layers and annotations ready for editing review or output to printed or digital deliverables. Next, exporting to DWG or PDF. Within Vectorworks, use File then Export to save the drawing as DWG, DXF, or PDF for sharing with users on other CAD platforms. DWG and DXF preserve vector geometry for AutoCAD users, while PDF provides a universal viewing format. Configure export options to control the output content and quality. Finally, converting with CAD Translators. Use CAD translation services or applications like Open Design Alliance Drawings, SDK, to convert 2DR files to other CAD formats without requiring Vectorworks. These tools handle complex CAD format conversions, providing flexibility for cross-platform CAD workflows when Vectorworks is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.